My name is Michael Starnes. I am a master's student in the Department of Animal and Food Science, studying food safety. My research focuses on developing mitigation strategies for foodborne pathogens to prevent foodborne outbreaks. So we do a lot of hands-on work with beef, chicken, and pork producers to ensure that their production lines are safe. The project that I've been focused on during my time here at Texas Tech is the demonstration of the effectiveness of interventions that kill bacteria within a beef processing plant. So the gist of what I do here at Texas Tech is we'll travel out to various production facilities within the United States and collect samples from these beef, chicken, or pork facilities. And then we'll take those samples back, we'll process these samples, and then we'll get to really learn and understand what the particular microbial load within these plants that we sampled from are. So what I did was I took harmless surrogate strains of bacteria that mimic the behavior of pathogenic Salmonella and E. coli into a beef processing plant. From there, what I did was I inoculated beef carcasses with this bacteria at the beginning of the production line, sent those carcasses through the entire production line, and then measured the amount of bacteria remaining at various stages. What this did was give us an overall picture of how effective each individual intervention was, as well as a holistic view of how effective this particular plant was at reducing its microbial load. This data was actually used by a major retailer here in the United States to get into a market in another country, so I feel incredibly fortunate to be a part of a graduate program that gives us hands-on experience within these production facilities, and then we get to come back to the university and learn the science behind what we gathered. So the funding I received from the graduate school was the UWC Paul Whitfield Horn Fellowship, and this funding is instrumental in allowing me to finance my education and pursue my goals of working in the agricultural legislative space. Not only have I been able to travel all over the country, but internationally as well to meet and work with food safety professionals. The reason I chose the Texas Tech Graduate School is because of its profound ability to pull the brightest minds together from across the world and put them in the best position possible to be the leaders of tomorrow. My time here at the grad school has introduced me to students from so many different departments who are excelling within their research. And the one thing that I notice that we all have in common in my interactions with these students is the high level of performance we're held to as master's or PhD students here at Texas Tech. This past summer, I had the opportunity to do research on listeria at the USDA's main agricultural research labs in Beltsville, Maryland. This facility houses the top scientists from around the world, and they were all very familiar with our school and lab's work. People like Dr. Minnie Brashears, Dr. Angela Walla, and Dr. Marco Sanchez were all known by name by these scientists as leaders within their respective field. And this recognition really speaks to the level of impact that Texas Tech and the International Center for Food Industry Excellence is having on our global food supply.